This is the top 10 things that you need to know about Cardiff. The Euros in 2028 will be coming to Cardiff. You can walk to the Principality Stadium from the Cardiff campus and it's less than a mile away. You can catch the Aqua bus from Butte Park to Cardiff Bay. And at Cardiff Bay you'll find restaurants, bars, the Wales Millennium Centre, Red Dragon Centre, the Zenith and the Cardiff Bay Barrage, and you can walk to the seaside town of Pethau. Cardiff is one of the most affordable cities to live in, especially for students. Roald Dahl, Gareth Bale and Charlotte Church are all from Cardiff. Spinners in Cardiff is the world's oldest record store. It's been in business for over 125 years and you can find it in the Cardiff Arcade. Sex Education, His Dark Materials, Doctor Who, Sherlock and Gavin and Stacey all have one thing in common, and that they're all TV series that feature scenes that were shot in Cardiff. Cardiff has many attractions to keep you occupied in your spare time, many of which are free. You can visit St Fagans National Museum of History, Cardiff Castle, National Museum of Cardiff, Butte Park and Roath Park. Queen Street, Utilita Arena, St David's Shopping Centre, Cineworld and Golfang are all 5-minute walk from our Cardiff campus. Cardiff is known as the City of Arcades. These include Castle Arcade, Duke Street Arcade and the Royal Arcade, and they are home to many independent businesses that I really recommend you explore. Cardiff is a short train ride from Barry Island, and you'll find arcades, a promenade, Funfair and Whitmore Bay, and you can get there from Cardiff Central Station.